We're doing the bowl nacho crunchy tacos. And y'all, I've been seeing so many people doing the adding cucumbers and pickle to their tacos. I'm gonna try it on one. I only got 2 tacos because y'all, I have been eating. I've been like, I kind of like had like a rice bowl with the taco meat toppings already because y'all, I've been grubbing tonight. And this is my first meal of the day. Probably my only meal of the day for real. But y'all, trying to get my appetite back right. So, got it stuffed. Mm. Well, yeah, so me and my son, we did a different taco seasoning. So we were talking earlier, right? I was like, the old El Paso taco meat had been tasting different to me lately. I don't know, I'm gonna do something different, so he said it's good. Well, I got the McCormick mild taco sauce. Taco seasoning. I did tonight. Yeah. I was like, how many tacos you want? So he fixed 2 in the beginning. Smashed them, came back, was like, Mama, want one more. I think we're so, yeah, I think we're gonna just stick to the McCormick. I don't know, y'all, the taco season just ain't been hitting to me. I was telling him too, like, my taste buds have like changed. Also with dairy, like milk. I still like drink milk. And the eggs, I like it don't taste different. So yeah, I'm going to organic milk, organic cage-free eggs or whatever. Brown eggs I haven't been in cold in a while. But yeah, we're gonna smash these tacos. But I have my tacos, the taco meat with ground beef, queso cheese, lettuce, my avocado salsa, which I use avocados, onions, tomatoes, cilantro, lemon juice, lemon and lime juice and seasonings, cheese, sour cream. So we're gonna try some with the pickle. Oh my god, I've been seeing a lot of YouTubers. I specifically saw B-Love's live do it. She got the bread and butter. Yeah, I have always hated bread and butter. Like, I ain't nothing. I just don't think pickle should be sweet at all. But to each his own preference. It's my preference. Okay? So I gotta do a pickle, but let's see. Yeah. That's a close one to do a pickle. Okay. I'll be honest. It's good. Because it is I did a pickle. It's a little bit more salty. Oh, and I got pickled jalapenos too. What? Cucumber. I like the cucumber a little bit better. It don't get that added saltiness. It kind of like cuts to it. Yeah. If you like the bread and butter pickles, you choose it. You probably have the same experience. I like dill. Y'all know I like vinegar, I like salt. But if I'm telling you, it's a little salt heavy. Trust me, it's a little salt heavy. It wasn't too much, but still. Okay. I just eat once a day. It's crazy. It's not a bad thing, but when you're trying to gain weight, you gotta eat. You gotta eat. Oh, yeah. Drink. Well, I'm gonna still drink like water while I go to bed, but ensure high protein. I gotta gain weight back, y'all. I lost so much weight, it's crazy. But yes, I'm just gonna protein shake. Mm-hmm. 16 grams of protein, y'all. Alright. I'm going to throw the rest of this in my taco. Go to bed because it's like 2 a.m. We are, thankfully though, we only got a day and a half of school left, y'all, and we're going to be on Christmas break. And yes, I am that parent who does not like to get up in the morning, so I'm very excited to not have to get up at the crack of dawn. Excuse me, in the cold. To get kids to school by 7:25, 30, 7:30, whatever. So, it was a win, y'all. Y'all drop ideas, y'all. Anything recipe y'all want to see, drop in the comments for me. I appreciate you. I have some dessert recipes coming before Christmas. I'm gonna work on that really hard this weekend. Also, I have a recipe I want to do before the new year. Oh, y'all, and the new year is my birthday. January 1st is my birthday, y'all. So, I'm going to try to go live. I need all of y'all to show up and support your girl on her birthday. Okay? But anyway. So, for the New Year's dinner, I'm going to do black eyed peas and collard greens together. It's gonna be good. Don't fret. I got you. Okay. We got desserts coming. So basically, first, New Year food coming. And that's my birthday will be. You know what I mean? Back on the grind. Back on new recipes. Yeah. It's so much things you could do. So I'll see you for the next one. Good night.